Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: iOS updated and dictation enabled, then test the mic hardware. Go to Settings General Software Update and install if available, because system fixes often resolve voice issues. Next, open Settings General Keyboard and toggle Enable Dictation on, then restart the iPhone to apply changes. Once done, record a short clip in voice memos to verify the mic picks up clear audio. This separates hardware faults from software settings before you continue. Now you dive into permissions and system services that affect voice typing. Open Settings Privacy Microphone and confirm the app you use has access, because blocked permissions stop dictation. Then go to Settings Siri and search and toggle Listen for Hey Siri off and on to refresh voice services. If dictation still fails, reset the keyboard dictionary or choose Reset All Settings. This removes custom configs but preserves data. Make sure language and region settings match the dictation language to avoid recognition errors. Finish by systematically testing and eliminating remaining causes. Open notes or messages and use the microphone key to dictate a few sentences that include punctuation and numbers, because real-world phrases reveal recognition problems. If dictation still fails, force restart the iPhone, reset network settings, or restore from a known good backup. These steps clear transient system issues. One key troubleshooting tip: record in voice memos if audio is poor. It's hardware, book an Apple diagnostics appointment. If audio
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.